The Suzuki Gixxer SF stands as a masterpiece of engineering and design, a perfect fusion of power and style. Its aerodynamic bodywork and aggressive stance command attention, a true representation of Suzuki's commitment to performance. The bold curves and sharp lines reflect its sporty DNA, making it a machine built for those who crave the thrill of the ride. The name Suzuki Gixxer SF glows on the wall, reinforcing its legacy in the world of motorcycling. Every detail is crafted with precision, from the sharp LED headlamp to the sculpted fuel tank that seamlessly integrates into the fully faired body. The aerodynamic design reduces wind resistance, ensuring stability at high speeds and enhancing the overall riding experience. The aggressive front fascia exudes confidence, making a bold statement wherever it goes. The ergonomically designed seat provides the perfect balance of comfort and control, allowing the rider to feel connected to the machine at every moment. Clip-on handlebars enhance its race-inspired feel, ensuring a firm grip and optimal positioning for precise handling. The digital instrument cluster displays real-time information with clarity, keeping the rider informed and in control. Speed, fuel efficiency, gear position, and essential riding data are just a glance away. A refined single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine delivers smooth and powerful acceleration, bringing the perfect combination of efficiency and performance. The moment the engine roars to life, a deep, resonant exhaust note fills the air, a sound that defines the spirit of the Gixxer SF. Every twist of the throttle results in an instant surge of power, making it the perfect companion for city commutes and highway adventures. The advanced cooling system ensures consistent performance, allowing the engine to deliver maximum output without compromise. A finely tuned suspension system and lightweight chassis provide the agility and responsiveness needed for an exhilarating ride. Whether leaning into sharp corners or accelerating through open roads, the Gixxer SF remains stable and controlled. The high-performance tires grip the surface with confidence, ensuring safety and superior traction in every condition. The suspension absorbs road imperfections with precision, delivering a smooth and composed ride at all times. A powerful braking system with advanced disc brakes and optional ABS ensures precise stopping power, providing the confidence to push the limits while maintaining complete control. Every stop is smooth, every deceleration calculated, making the ride as safe as it is thrilling. The seamless combination of power and safety makes it a machine that truly stands apart. The dual-tone color scheme enhances the Gixxer SF's bold and dynamic look, emphasizing its aggressive character. Every paint finish is applied with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring a deep and lasting shine. The aerodynamic fairings blend seamlessly with the frame, optimizing airflow and stability at high speeds. Every aspect of its design speaks of innovation and passion for performance. This is not just a motorcycle, it is a statement, a reflection of the rider's spirit and passion for the road. The Suzuki Gixxer SF embodies the thrill of riding, delivering an unmatched experience every time the engine starts. A perfect blend of technology, design, and performance, built for those who demand more from every ride. Every journey on this machine is an invitation to embrace the road, feel the power, and experience the true essence of motorcycling.